Welcome to Pramod Nainapalli YouTube channel. Today we discuss the topic halogenation in continuation of reactions of benzene, which we have completed in previous section, that is nitration sulfonation. This is third type of reactions of benzene, that is halogenation. What is this halogenation means? When benzene react with chlorine molecule in presence of aluminum chloride, one of the hydrogen of benzene is replaced by halogen chlorine. One of the hydrogen of benzene is replaced by chlorine, and that reaction is called as halogenation. Since we have used chlorine molecule, we call it as a chlorination. So which type of reaction? Chlorination. There is also a bromination. Halogens means, we know that halogens means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These all are halogenation. If you use fluorine molecule, then the reaction of halogenation is called as fluorination. If you use chlorine, the reaction name is called as chlorination. If you use bromine molecule, reaction name is bromination. If you use iodine, the reaction name becomes iodination. But all are called as an halogenation reactions. Now it is not easy as we have written the reactions. There are various steps involved in the reaction. That is, in the mechanism, various type of reactions are involved. What are various types of steps or reactions involved in the halogenation? So first step, what is going to happen means, the chlorine molecule will react with aluminum chloride catalyst. So it acts as a catalyst. What is catalyst? It is a substance which increases the rate of reaction but do not participate in the reaction. They just increase the rate of reactions. Now what happens? This particular chlorine molecule is there. One of the chlorine molecule takes both the pair of electrons, and aluminum becomes positive because chlorine is a electronegative atom. All halogens are electronegative atom. They drag the electrons from this aluminum, hence it becomes a positive charge. Now it requires negative charge. This chlorine molecule take a pair of electron and attack on the aluminum. So it becomes aluminum trichloride. That aluminum chloride is converted into aluminum tetrachloride, carries the positive charge because this pair of electrons are given to this, and this chlorine becomes electron deficient. It becomes what? It becomes positive charge. It carries the positive charge. So there is a generation of electrophile in first step. Electrophile means chlorine cation. So positive charge indicates electron deficient because this chlorine, in chlorine molecule, one of the chlorine takes entire pair of electrons. It becomes a deficient. Now this is electrophile. Second step, the electrophile react with the benzene. The electrophile react with the benzene. So electrophile is chlorine molecule react with benzene. How it will react? Particularly it will give the lone pair of electrons. It gives a pair of electrons, and as a result it forms a bond on this carbon atom. So what happens? The one of the hydrogen is also present and chlorine will get attacked there. As a result it forms like this. How it is formed? It forms hydrogen chlorine on the same carbon. So this gives the pair of electrons. From this carbon it is giving the pair of electrons to the chlorine. It formed a bond and this carbon becomes electron deficient. That's why what it is happening, it carries the positive charge. The positive charge on chlorine becomes attached on the next carbon because it becomes electron deficient. This undergoes resonance stabilization. What is resonance stabilization? Delocalization of pi electrons takes place throughout the ring, and positive charge also disperses throughout the ring. So what happens? As a result, I have written the stabilized structure. This stabilized structure in the last step, what it will do means, it will stabilized step, I am writing hydrogen and chlorine react with first step aluminum tetrachloride. Aluminum tetrachloride. Now what is going to happen means, this is electron rich, this is a electron deficient. There is a reaction takes place and eliminates, abstract the hydrogen on the benzene. As a result, when hydrogen is leaving, I told earlier, it gives a pair of electrons and there is a generation of negative charge, positive negative cancels. Finally, it results into formation of complete chlorobenzene. It forms a complete chlorobenzene is formed. As a result, HCl will eliminate. HCl eliminate. Catalyst is regenerated. Always you have to remember, when you are writing the mechanism, the catalyst finally it must be regenerated, because catalyst will not participate in the reaction. They only help in the increase of the reaction. I conclude this halogenation reaction. Halogenation, in halogenation I am talking about chlorination. What is chlorination means? The hydrogen of the benzene is replaced by chlorine in presence of catalyst aluminum chloride to form a chlorobenzene. This involves 3 steps. First step is generation of electrophile. Second step, reaction between electrophile and a nucleophile. Undergoes resonance stabilization. The resonance stabilized compound of benzene is reacted with aluminum tetrachloride, which is formed in the aluminum tetrachloride, which is formed in the first step. The hydrogen is completely replaced, chlorobenzene is formed, and catalyst is regenerated. This is all about the halogenation reaction. Thank you.